beautiful woman. I felt it deep inside, beautiful woman. People.
Hi friends, welcome back. I am so excited for today. So excited for today's video. Back in July of last year, for those of you who are new, who've joined in since then, back in July, I had decided that I was no longer going to do any of the beauty subscriptions. I had done IPSY and Birchbox, and there was a couple other different kind of subscription things that I had signed up for. And at that point, I was just kind of over it. But you guys know I love my makeup. I do. So I decided that back last month, I rejoined IPSY. So we are going to do the very first IPSY unbagging for 2020. It's been a while. So I'm very excited. You know, out of 7 days a week, I probably put makeup on 6 days, sometimes just 5. Sometimes I let my skin breathe all weekend. A lot of it just depends. Like this weekend is a writing weekend for me. It's a very non-eventful weekend, shall we say. We're kind of staying tucked inside. Our community is seeing a serious outbreak, not just in Houston, but now all the surrounding areas are starting to have issues, and progressively so. We have since graduation, pretty much, is when it started to kind of explode a little bit. So we're just gonna stay tucked inside this weekend, and I have one that will be going to the lake with some friends of ours, but the rest of us will be inside. And I am gonna challenge myself to a writing challenge. So you may have that video on Monday or Tuesday. But let's get into this. One, I have to say, I love their new packaging. Of course, this is the first one that I've gotten since last year. Last year, they were all just bright pink. I don't know if they're all light pink now or if they change also by the month. Kind of cool. This is the bag, but instantly, I smell that plastic smell we used to love as kids. You know, whenever you got a new backpack or a new pencil pouch and it was that plasticky, fresh new plasticky smell. Oh my gosh, this so took me back to probably 2nd grade. Anywho, I love this. This is cute. It says escape. And the little zipper is a little airplane. One of my goals is to start traveling more. When, I don't know. Little side tip, my daughter and I are going to start doing mother-daughter Christmas trips. Not on Christmas, but for the month of December, to just go experience other cities and what they have to offer at Christmas time. Of course, we both want to go to New York, just because, why not? You've got to experience that in your lifetime at Christmas time. And I would like to. We were even considering staying here and just doing Houston for the first trip because of COVID. And now I don't even know if that's going to be an option, because I don't know if the Nutcracker is even going to be there. I don't even know if the Nutcracker Market will be open this year, and that is a huge Houston tradition as well. So let's hop into this, because this is what you're here for. Oh, let me get the card. I don't want to take a break. I don't want to take a break. I do want to take a break. I don't want to use my glasses, but it says, take a break, airplane mode your phone, put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to regenerize. Whether it's in the living room dance party or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary, let loose and go with the flow. Where will it take you? Nice. So the first thing we are going to see is that I can't seem to take this out of the bubble wrap. I'm kind of glad they started wrapping these up like that though, because these eye palettes lately and eyeshadows, I'm imagining that's probably what this is. This is called Space Case. Let me see. Let's see. You guys. So do you have any subscription boxes that you look forward to every month? If you do, I would love to know. This is Gold Ease. So let's see it. It is Space Case Cosmetics. And this is the Gold Ease. It is an eyeshadow in the gold. I don't know, the camera's not going to pick up the color. Let me turn off the light for a second. Let's see if that's affecting. Ah. There you go. It's in this beautiful gold color. I don't tend to wear a lot of golds. I think I've said that before. My daughter does, and I know it brings out the blues, so I may play around. Who knows? Maybe I'll be bold. I am going to see what this says. I don't even know which one that is supposed to. Maybe that is just tips. Let's see. All right, here is some Hemp's Citron Crystal and Quartz lotion. It is a coconut. I think it's a coconut scent. Let's smell it. It smells nice. It does smell very tropical. Not like mango tropical. When I say tropical, I mean more coconut. This is nice. I do like this. This actually has some really good tips in here. It says, cue up your favorite show, indulge in a sea salt foot soak to relieve your feet while you pick your next summer petty color. This is your ultimate beauty staycation. No round trip tickets needed for full body bliss. We got the tips to transport yourself to a 5-star happy place. My home is my happy place. It says, drink it in. Get glowy from the inside out with a beauty superfood smoothie. Try coconut water for hydration, pineapples for vitamin C, and kale for an antioxidant boost. My husband and I were talking about coconut water last night and how it is something that neither one of us really enjoy. I am not a fan. This is from Thrive Cosmetics. It is a lip liner. Hip Fuller lip liner. It's a semi-permanent. Nice. You know what? That is one thing I have been lacking in my routine is a lip liner. Just because I forget to get one. This is like a mauve color. Of course, that is what it looks like. And of course my light is on, so you are not going to be able to really see very well. It goes along with a lot of the colors that I wear. It's probably a little too dark for the lipstick I have on today, but I do love that. I have a color in the fall that I like to wear that is more this color, so awesome. And then we have 2 more products. One is a lip liner. It's tattoo liner. It's waterproof. It's a Trooper Black. You guys, it's hard to read. It's got a very fine point, which I prefer. My favorite liner so far still is the e.l.f. liner, the liquid liner. A lot of these, this looks like it might be pretty awesome though. So I will try it out. Well, we'll try it out tomorrow. Do I have it upside down? I do. I will let you guys see what it looks like. There you go. And it's in the Trooper Black. The packaging is pretty cool though. It's very neat. I love that. And then the last thing I've got here is a hydrating facial cleanser, which is awesome. Sunday, I cleaned my makeup brushes, posted a picture. I highly recommend, if you do not use the samples that come in these boxes like this, to save them and use them to clean your makeup brushes. My theory is if it's good enough to clean your face, it should be good enough to clean your brushes. And that is a good true test of a good cleanser, is if it gets that makeup out. I don't remember the one that I used. I did put it in the picture. I know a lot of people use baby shampoo, baby wash, because it is gentle. But the problem is a lot of our makeups are not, especially when it comes to your foundation and powders. Those are the two brushes that were the hardest, I guess, of the, oh, and blush too. For some reason, my blush brush was a little hard to kind of get it all out. Mind you, I do not clean them near enough, and I'm trying to get better at that. So there you go. That's just a, you know, a lot of people ask, what do I do with all this? Like this gold eyeshadow, I might see if my daughter wants it because she does wear a lot of golds. I don't, and I have other golds to try, but I may try it. And really, I think next month I will do, when I do my unboxing, I won't have any makeup on and I'll use what comes in the bag. That may be a fun little challenge. You know, you never know what you're getting. Well, you could take a sneak peek if you want, but you really never know what you're getting until you get it. So it's kind of fun to just see. This lotion just is pretty refreshing smelling. I want to take it to work, but I already have so many lotions at work. But I will probably put this in my purse because I find myself a lot of times out. Especially lately, we use too much hand sanitizer, and our skin gets dried out. Mind you, I have to say, my skin is better than it has been in a few years, and I'm excited. All right, guys, that is it. I'm excited to try several of these, actually. These two especially will probably go into my next Get Ready With Me. I might try to use this as well. The facial cleanser, likely, I will probably save that for the next time I do my makeup brushes, which needs to be once a month, especially when you wear makeup as often as I do. And that is that. So I hope you guys have a great escape for the next weekend or so. I'm gonna read the rest of these 3 tips to you because some of them are pretty great. Tip number 3 was make some moves. Hit the pavement to dance around the house. Move whatever way makes you feel good and enjoy those exercise endorphins. Plus, that glow is worth the sweat. We have been known to start playing music on Alexa and just have our own dance party. It's so fun. It is just so fun, and I don't care who sees me because it's just me and my husband and the kids, and everyone knows I'm crazy. So number 4, go skin deep. Fancy a massage? You got the tools in your hands, literally. Facial massage is a major glow booster. It helps increase the blood flow, and it's a depuffer. And tip number 5 is aloha your hair. Work a scalp scrub into the roots to remove buildup and pave the way for healthy hair growth. Top it off with coconut oil hair mask. It will deep condition and give a dreamy tropical scent. There you go. Those are pretty awesome tips if you ask me. All right, guys. I will leave a link down below if you have not tried the IPSY subscriptions. I will try to remember to do that. I'm not always really good about leaving links, but I will try to remember if you would like to check it out for August. And maybe we can unbox together. That would be fun. And I will see you guys tomorrow for a video because I'm actually kind of doing a little bulk filming this morning. So you guys will have a video Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then we'll go from there. May even continue. I just got a lot of extra energy. I have a lot of time when I get up early and I'm full of it. So we are gonna move on, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
With all my faiths, empty voices in my head.